Welcome. My name is Max Hackman, and today we are going to check out the criminal justice database. The first thing we want to do is scroll down and select the database link on the right-hand side of the page. This will take us to an alphabetical listing of the databases. We'll want to select C, and we'll scroll down to criminal justice. I've already logged in. If you have any issues logging in, please reach out to us through chat, email, or by telephone during the day, and we can help you out with that. Once we get in here, let's do a search for Florida. And so it comes back here. This basic search is a good way to start, kind of get a feel for the database and how it works. We have 43,000 results, so that's quite a bit. So let's narrow it down to full text and peer reviewed. Nope, I didn't get the peer reviewed clicked in time, so we'll have to pay attention to that to make sure you're getting what you selected. So that got us down to 35,000 results. And let's see what peer reviewed will get us down to under 10,000 results. So that was working out pretty good. You can check different limiters here on the side as well. Once you find a resource that looks good to you, go ahead and select the title, and you can go in and get more information, more detailed record information right off the bat here. So the background or the title is right here. The authors are listed here, and you can actually search by the author then if you select their name, the journal it's from, volume issue, and how many pages it is. Over here on the right hand side is a toolbar, so different options available, so you can download the whole article as a PDF. The citation is available here, and there's a lot of different citations available, so make sure you're grabbing the citation that you're looking for, and double check it as well, since these are machine generated, so there could be an error in there. If you scroll down here, you actually see this article has been cited by 16 different other articles in here. You can actually, if you select that, you can look at those, and then there's it uses documents that are shared with 608 other articles as well. So that's a good way to kind of track down more information, especially if this article is exactly what you're looking for your project. So keep that in mind. And then there's some other related items here, some articles that go with this as well. So lots of different options here. If you have any questions or issues, please reach out to us. We are always here to help.